Okay.
Go this way. Come, nice. Go, come, go, come, go, come, go, come,
okay,
go,
nice,
come,
nice, nice.
go,
Wow.
and finalize.
Wow, that's good. I'm adding here the hot water. Now I'm gonna mix it very well. Now we are giving the little bit good massage to the dough.
The cut.
Yes, here is the French garlic. Okay, nice. We are gonna mix the cross meat. This one's the mixed masala. Then after that is the cumin powder. It's a ginger and garlic paste. That's the momo masala. Nice. We're gonna use
Meat masala.
that's the meat masala. And okay, he's the master chef for these dumplings. He's trying to make very juicy and very delicious fillings for the dumplings. Now he gonna use, there is this spring onion. Okay. Okay, now you're gonna mix here. Okay, nice. This is the guy, he gonna teach me how to make the dumplings at home.
So cute.
Okay.
And so
It smells very good. Nice.
now I'm going to mix it up.
Oh my god.
Now I'm going to mix it up.
Okay, you're gonna mix it too. Okay, nice. Here we have pints of cabbage, pints of onion, spring onions, French garlic, and also he use variety of masala as I told you before. Mixed masala, coriander powders, cumin powders, and momo masala, curry powder, and he use at last hot to warm oil to mix it, so the fillings of the momo will be really juicy, isn't it, Manoj?
Maybe. Or maybe not. Maybe or maybe not. From this, please. Don't show my face. I'm so ugly.
यस्तो राम्रो मेमोरी हुन्छ झन्.
It's done. Now we will wait 30 minutes to marinate it, isn't it?
Yep.
Dumplings, salt and other recipe is good or not. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
Nice. Good. To make the momo sauce, at last we will use this momo sauce to create the momo and dumplings. He cut rough chop of the onions and he gonna cut lots of tomato. Vegetable oil, and he used onion, and he gonna fry onion a little bit till it become a golden brown. And he gonna use chili, green chili.
This is Sichuan pepper. We
Smell
call
very
Nepal in Timor.
Timur, okay, nice. Okay, nice. Okay, then salt. Okay, turmeric powder. And that is the coriander?
Cumin powder.
Cumin powder. Okay, nice. Cumin powder and coriander powder will give some really good flavor and they smell really good. I'm pretty sure if you try at your home, you're gonna love this recipe. Now, what are you gonna add?
It's mixed spices.
Mix spices. That means there is the coriander powder, cumin powders, there's the spiciness.
Every spices we use in our local kitchen. Now it's time to put tomato.
Okay, now Mr. Mono is gonna add
That
tomato,
we
yeah?
cut while before.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Now we're gonna put some garlic and ginger paste.
Okay. Okay, now what you gonna add? Just a little bit of water, isn't it?
Yep.
Okay, nice. Then we'll wait till it becomes thick
Yes.
and well cooked, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay, nice. We'll come back soon. That's the French garlic. Wow. Okay, now it's almost done. Now we can turn off the gas, isn't it, Manoj?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
And some toast. Thank you very much.
After that, what we gonna do?
After that, we have to grind it.
It will be a very good, delicious momo sauce. Okay guys, here we have three types of dumplings. That is the round one, that is very different looks, very beautiful looks, and that is the, I don't know how what shape this one's, but it looks like very pretty. Wow, nice. Thank you Monos for this Momo.
Thank you very much.
Nice. You can make this ones and then after you will show us the step by step, okay?
We go this way.
Okay.
On the middle. You have to sharp your finger always. These two finger.
Okay, nice.
These two finger. Thank
Wow.
you. And here is the result.
Nice. Okay, you're gonna show us another one step by step, okay? Nice. Take the
Here's the meat.
here is meat, okay? Fillings of the dumplings, nice. Can you show us this one, please? The round one.
Yes, of course. Here is the round one.
Okay. Nice. Wow, nice. Then I want to see that kinds of shape, please.
Of course.
May I, please?
My pleasure.
Okay.
Always. For that, you have to use this 3 finger.
3 fingers, okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So
Nice.
you give your momos shape
Okay.
with this finger,
Yeah.
and you're going to make
Close the closing by that hand. Okay, nice.
This 2 finger.
Wow. Now we want to see that kinds of shape, please.
Of course, with my pleasure. Now, again, 3 finger
Okay.
like this,
Yeah.
and pull up this little bit.
Okay.
Go this way. Come, go, come, go, come, go, come, go, come,
Okay.
go,
Nice,
come,
nice, nice.
go,
Wow.
and finalize.
Wow.
There is the-
That's good. There is our results. Nice. This is how we can make dumplings at home.
हेप्ने आजै भिडियो
मम ल
बनाएर अर्को दिन
मनोज ल तल राख अलि ल
अब यो क्यामेरामा आउँदैन।
क्यामेरामा गर्ने बेला फेरि आउँदैन कि है नभनी खिच्नुपर्छ कि यस्तो त यो मुरी बना जस्तो रहेछ यो मुरी हो, यो मुरी।
ल भयो
मेरो पनि देखाइदियो नि।
देखाइदिनु मेरो भाइ।
म्याडम धेरै डिस्टर्ब नगर्नुहोस् है हामीलाई यहाँ अहिले खाने बेला बोलाउँछु मैले तपाईँलाई
अनुहार चाहिँ हाल्दैन तर मोमो जस्तै हो
तर मेकअप गरेर आउँछु भन्छ
डल्लो मोमो जस्तै छ अनुहार भन्दैला फेरि कमेन्टमा।
भन्दैन त्यस्तो है एकचोटि अब
यस्तो 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 यस्तो
आशाले अर्को कोसिङ गरे
यो होइन क्या यो त डल्लो भयो के भयो
नाइस
यो त डल्लै होइन यहाँ फुलफिल गर्नु पऱ्यो नि त ऊ
ओपन मोमो बनाइदिन्छु क्या बरु म त ओपन मोमो
म्याडम
तपाईँको हात खोइदियो है म्याडम।
एउटा राख
मेरो नाम ओपन मोमो हो यहाँ अनुहार नदेखाउनु पर्छ हातमा चाहिँ देखाऊ के
के मामा रे यो
तिनवटा मोमो आफ्नो भएकोमा खेर पारिसक्यो है तपाईँको बुढीले।
बसेर होइन उठाउन हाल्छु नि मलाई पर्छ कसलाई पर्छ के
त्यसमा एउटा पाल पारिदिन्छु नि म।
Okay, to make the steamed momo, we have special pot like this. You can see here. We are putting here the water. I will use a little bit oil here, so momo, the dumplings cannot be sticky here. Nice. Okay, I put like this in this pot. Now I'm gonna fill these ones also. Now I'm gonna cook here. Okay. Yes, the water is boiling very well. Let's put these ones here, then these ones here, and I'm gonna cover it. Now I'm gonna cover it. We'll wait till 15 minutes, then after our momo will be ready. Nice. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna solve the momo, yeah? Wow.
यो खाँदाखेरि पनि सही हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्छ हामीलाई। काट्दै त होइन
भिडियो नै भएको रहन्छ यार भनौँ त त्यत्रो गफहरू हुन्छ यार
हो र सुपर